Here is the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. This child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door, so we'll start with the rear left door. And when you open the door, there's a small switch over there. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature. And now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, now if I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. No matter what I do, I cannot open this door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide over there, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So open this door, open the left side door from outside, and now all you have to do is just push the switch up to deactivate the feature, and now it's back to normal. I can open it from outside, and on the inside in the lock position I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that is good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Exact same process, same switch, same everything. Just push it down to activate the feature. I can open it from outside, and on the inside now, no matter what I do, I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately on both the doors. You don't want the child to just get out from the car seat, slide to the other side and open the other door and get out and cause any issues. So for now, let's just open this door, open the right side door from outside, push the switch up to deactivate the feature, and I can still open it from outside. And on the inside, lock position cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that's good. I hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.